Get ready to say hello to clear, even-toned skin with these dark spot solutions. My name is Emily Baker, and I'm a beauty expert here at JCPenney. It's our goal to give you a look, not just at what's trending, but what's actually going to work best for your unique skin. Today, we're tackling the pesky problem of dark spots. You know the ones, the stubborn marks that manage to linger long after a breakout or a few too many days in the sun. Thankfully, there are things we can do to prevent, brighten, and cover our dark spots. With so many causes, dark spots are common in a lot of different skin types and tones, and can be a real confidence killer for some people. That's why we wanted to share some of our best tips and tricks for managing dark spots, so you can bring a smoother, healthier glow back to your skin. We're here to help you find solutions that work for your unique skin type and lifestyle. Dark spots, also known as hyperpigmentation, are a real pain point for so many people. While I wish I could tell you that they come from one preventable factor, the truth is dark spots are like so many of our skincare needs, unique to each person. They can be caused by sun damage, hormonal changes, and acne scars, and can be difficult to get rid of. Some severe cases may not have a permanent solution, but don't panic yet. There are still methods to help lighten these spots and prevent future ones. While there are plenty of solutions out there to tackle this issue, the key is to learn what has been causing them in your case, and which treatments will work best for your skin type and tone. Dark spots occur when an excess of melanin, better known as the pigment that gives our skin its color, is produced in a specific area of the skin. Now I want to clarify something really quick before we move forward. Melanin is a good thing. It's what gives our skin its natural color and helps protect it from the sun's harmful rays. All shades of skin are beautiful, and it's important to know how to care for our complexions and keep them glowing for many years to come. But sometimes our skin produces too much melanin in certain areas, leading to dark spots. In some cases, they can be rather noticeable, and even though they are common and nothing to be ashamed of, they may leave us feeling less than confident about our skin. They can also be difficult to cover up with makeup and can make the skin appear uneven. Now let's be real, preventing dark spots is not easy. It requires diligence, consistency, and a little bit of know-how. But the good news is that there are plenty of things you can do to protect your skin and help prevent spots from forming. Sun protection is key. UV exposure is one of the leading causes of dark spots, so it's important to make sure you're taking the necessary steps to protect your skin. That means using broad-spectrum sunscreen with SPF of at least 30 each and every day. And if you're planning on spending long hours outside in the sun, you'll want to keep reapplying your sunscreen at least every 2 hours. Another important step is to maintain a consistent skincare routine. Cleansing, exfoliating, and moisturizing regularly keeps your skin healthy and hydrated, which can help with dark spots caused by hormones and aging. And if you're someone who likes to indulge in a little self-care, you might want to consider adding a brightening serum or vitamin C product to your routine to help minimize any existing spots. Of course, there are also some lifestyle changes we can make to help prevent dark spots. For example, if you're a smoker, take this as your sign to quit. Smoking can accelerate the aging process, which in turn contributes to the development of dark spots. Or if you're someone who loves to spend time outdoors, it's important to take breaks in the shade and wear a wide-brimmed hat and protective clothing to shield your skin from those harmful UV rays. At the end of the day, preventing, treating, and disguising dark spots is all about taking care of your skin and being consistent with your routine. So whether you're a seasoned skincare pro or just starting, you have to be sure to give your skin the love and attention it deserves. Your future self will thank you for it. Dark spots are like the one guest who stays too long at a party and they just won't go away. But don't worry, we've got you covered with some solutions to treat, prevent, and disguise those pesky spots. First up, let's talk about treating dark spots. One of the best ingredients for treating dark spots is vitamin C. This powerhouse antioxidant not only brightens your skin, but also helps to fade those unwanted marks. Another ingredient to look for is niacinamide, which can help to reduce hyperpigmentation and even out your skin tone. As I mentioned, prevention is key when it comes to dark spots, and the number one way to prevent them is by protecting your skin from the sun. But what if you already have dark spots and want to disguise them? One trick is to use a color-correcting concealer. If you have dark spots that are more on the brown side, use the peach or orange color corrector to cancel out the discoloration before applying a foundation. If your dark spots are more on the red side, use the green color corrector. Another way to disguise dark spots is by using a tinted moisturizer or BB cream. These products not only provide coverage, but also contain skincare benefits to help even out your skin tone over time. Look for products that contain vitamin C or niacinamide for an added boost. When it comes to skincare products, the type of product you use is just as important as the ingredients it contains. For dark spots, look for products that are specifically designed to target hyperpigmentation, like serums, spot treatments, and masks. And remember, consistency is key. Use dark spot treatment products every day and don't expect overnight results. It takes time to fade dark spots, so be patient. In addition to using targeted skincare products, incorporating a gentle exfoliant into your routine can also help to fade dark spots over time. Look for products that contain alpha hydroxy acids, AHAs, or beta hydroxy acids, BHAs, to help slough off dead skin cells and reveal brighter, more even skin tone. Last but not least, don't forget about the power of a good facial. Regular facials can help to improve the overall appearance of your skin, including dark spots. Look for a facial that specifically targets hyperpigmentation, like a brightening facial or a facial that incorporates vitamin C. Managing dark spots can take time and patience, but with the right products and techniques, it is still possible to get brighter, more even-looking skin. When it comes to treating hyperpigmentation, it's important to choose products that are specifically formulated for your skin. That means your skin type, skin concerns, and skin tone. For anyone with more oily or acne-prone skin, I recommend looking for products with ingredients like salicylic acid, which can help to unclog pores and prevent breakouts. If you have more dry or sensitive skin, you'll want to pick up products that are gentle and non-irritating. Ingredients you'll want in those products are lactic acid or mandelic acid. Those will give you the same effect, but will be sure to not irritate your skin or dry you out. Skin tone is also a key factor to consider when you're choosing what products you should be incorporating into your routine. For anyone with darker skin tones, you want to look for products with a natural brightening ingredients. So that will be vitamin C, kojic acid, niacinamide, and a few others. Those of you with lighter skin tones may benefit from using products containing hydroquinone, as this ingredient can be particularly effective at reducing the appearance of dark spots in lighter skin tones. If you'd rather disguise those pesky imperfections, there are a few different products that can help. One option is a color corrector, which can be applied under your foundation to neutralize the appearance of dark spots. Another option is the concealer, which can be used to cover up individual dark spots. When choosing a color corrector or concealer for dark spots, it's important to consider your skin tone. For fair skin tones, look for products with pink or peach undertone. For medium to deep skin tones, look for products with a yellow or orange undertone. What I'm trying to say here is that your skin is unique to you, which is why it's so important to do your research and find products that will work best for your skin type. It's never a bad idea to consult with a skincare professional before introducing any products into your routine, especially if you have particularly sensitive skin or are dealing with a more severe case of hyperpigmentation. But no matter what your skin type or tone, one thing is for sure: there's no shortage of dark spot treatments available on the market today. From serums and creams to masks and pills, there's a product out there that can help you achieve the bright, even tone complexion you're after. Now that we've covered the importance of finding the right product for your skin type and tone, let's talk about some of the best dark spot treatments on the market. First up is Cosrx Vitamin E Vitalizing Sunscreen with SPF 50. It's only fitting that we start this list with sunscreen, as it should be a staple of your skincare routine. This sunscreen helps prevent more spots from forming, but it's also rich in vitamin E, which is perfect to prevent more dark spots. Next, we have Renew's Copper Brightening Serum. This combines pure copper extract with blue lotus, ashwagandha, and neem, which gives you a brighter, more radiant complexion. Its formula is also so silky smooth. Another great option is Nip and Fab's Retinol Fix Overnight Treatment Cream. This cream is packed with what I can only describe as a powerhouse of anti-aging ingredient, retinol. Retinol helps reduce the signs of aging and works to minimize pigmentation and age spots. Retinol works best for anyone with oily or combination skin. Last but certainly not least, we have the Rodial Vitamin C Drops. Vitamin C is so wonderful at helping to slow down the production of melanin in our skin, and these drops are made of a lightweight serum that will leave your skin feeling conditioned and refreshed. The application is also so simple. All you have to do is massage 2 or 3 drops into your clean face and neck. This is a really diverse product because it works well with all skin types. Now, let's be real, some dark spots are irreversible. If you're looking to apply some coverage over these dark spots that have taken up residency on your face, look no further than Jason Wu Beauty Tinted Moisturizer Meets CC Cream. This product is the best of both worlds. It combines a lightweight tinted moisturizer with a color correcting cream. Another fave of mine is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. This cult favorite concealer is perfect for covering up dark spots and blemishes. Its formula provides hydration by locking in moisture and soothes the skin with its anti-inflammatory properties. It also comes in 25 shades, so you're guaranteed to find the right shade for you. I always suggest starting out with a small amount of product and gradually increasing to give your skin time to adjust. And I will say it again and again, when we're talking about our skincare, sunscreen, sunscreen, sunscreen. Protecting your skin from the sun is the best way to prevent future dark spots. If you're looking for a few extra products to help you kick it up a notch, check out a gentle exfoliator. This can help slough off dead skin cells and reveal a brighter, more even complexion. Just make sure to choose one that's gentle enough for your skin type and doesn't overdo it, or you could end up doing more harm than good. My must-have is Murad's AHA BHA Cleansing Exfoliator. Another great Murad product to pair with your dark spot treatment is their nourishing vitamin-packed moisturizer, the Essential C Day SPF 30 Moisturizer. This moisturizer provides all-day hydration and helps to strengthen your skin's barrier function, which will leave your skin looking plump and healthy. Whenever you use any products in conjunction with your dark spot treatment, using them in the correct order will help them do their jobs. Dark spot treatment should be just one step in a more thorough skincare routine. You'll always want to start off by washing your face with a gentle hydrating cleanser to get rid of any dirt or grime that might be clogging your pores. Once you have a nice clean face as your base, you'll want to go with the toner. I recommend the e.l.f. Skin Super Tone Toner. Their formula helps balance your skin's pH levels as well as prep it for the rest of your products. This next step is where our dark spot treatment will come in. You'll apply your chosen product to the areas where you're experiencing hyperpigmentation. After your treatment has been applied and your skin has soaked up all the good stuff, apply a moisturizer to help lock in that hydration. Last but not least, I think you're probably able to guess what I'm going to say next. Because yes, the answer is sunscreen. Top off your routine with that broad spectrum sunscreen to protect your skin throughout the day. Well, friends, that's it for today's episode on how to prevent, disguise, and treat dark spots. We hope you had as much fun learning as we did sharing these tips and tricks with you. If you have any questions about what dark spot treatments would work best for your skin type, or want some guidance on what other long-term skincare solutions you should try, stop into JCPenney Beauty. Our beauty experts will help you choose ideal products for your skin and lifestyle. Also, don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date on all things makeup and skincare at JCPenney. And be sure to ring the bell so you can get a notification when new skincare tips drop. We'd also love to hear about your skincare routine, so leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.